What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Benji, and we back with another live. Welcome everybody that's here. Glad you can make it to this live screen. You know what I'm saying? It's been a lovely week in the market. I can't complain. Although, of course, we've been selling and buying, honestly, and signal group for this week. We are 4-1, and of course I'm gonna go over them for you guys to understand, you know, which ones we hit on and which ones did hit stop loss, or which one. So you know, hope everybody having a great Sunday, or had a great Sunday, as we ball down to the nighttime and start going over these charts, looking for our next moves and the moves that we did make. Right now we got a Grok coming out for anybody out. You know, this is just the crypto side of things. This was called in my cousin's chat, Young World chat. Totally off topic, but I'm just, you know, give y'all a dip and a dive in what it's like to be a part of his community also, and the value that you get out of being in his chat, the amount of money that can be made from being in his chat also. I was just scrolling up to where I first called the Grok play. The initial Grok that he got in, that was 2022, I believe. And that Grok went to over 130 million. And he capitalized over 500 grand off of that. And that was just a minimal investment. And here at 7:57 p.m. today, I called the Grok 2 for Ethereum blockchain. And first buy bot was dropped at 999,000. Current buy bot is 3.9 million. So I done did a 4x on this already. And then we have one coming out for Solana. As you see, this says Sol, and this one says ETH. But you know, it's a lot of bullish things going on over there also on the crypto side of things. We're gonna get it back to where we initially was though. So we're gonna be looking at this on the 4-hour chart first. As we see here, price came all the way down. A lot of people thought it was going to go ahead and smack 2,500, which it didn't. And I was hoping that it did, because I'm going to show you. Put up a 25 right there. A lot of people thought it was going to go ahead and hit 2,500 because this was a slight breakout, but it did. Price did come back down for correction. You know, price always have to correct. It cannot go up forever, and what goes up must come down. What's down must go up. And you know, with that analogy alone, I've been able to been so profitable in these markets. So it's there if you want it. Right now, I'm gonna get this straightened out so we can see this in big. Scratch that a little bit more. Scratch these candles out so y'all can see them. There we go. Alrighty. I'm gonna pull up the Telegram. And August 4th started our week of last week. And of course, we started with the sale of 24.40. Take profit 1 was 24.35. Take profit 2 was 24.25. And take profit 3 was 24.15. As you see, we hit take profit 1, 2, and 3, getting a total of about, I think it was 22,480 pips that was caught on that drop alone. So I'm going to go back over it for you guys right over here. I'm gonna pull up my ruler right quick. Measure these pips out. Show y'all, how we've been getting down in these markets for real. Cause your boy turning up. And we're gonna sell 24.40 roughly. Trying to get it on the market as I can, as close as I can. Sale came out here. Price dropped all the way down to the 24.15 right there. So that was 2,400 pips that we got off that drop alone. 2,400, which is amazing, man. And for the week total, we had 4,500 pips for the week's total. All these take profits here hit. For the buy, we had a buy come out at 24.45, and TP1 hit. We'll go back to mark that up. 24.45. Right up in here. Ooh. And then went all the way up to 24.50. Was it 24.50? Oh, let me double check. Yep, 24.50. Let's go back over here. 45 to 50, we caught about 500 pips on that buy. Very short buy. Plus, I'm on an hour time frame, so it probably looks a little bit smaller. Let me go ahead. Go a little closer down to the 15. So again, that sale came out here at a 24.40 area. This was the first trade. Came all the way down to take profit. Tapped and bounced back. And that was 2,450 pips that was caught on that one. Then we had the buy that came out at 24.45, and I ended up getting on that out of the breakout that happened here. As you see, it lasted for a short amount of time, so about 500 pips or so. It was real short. And I took profit and got out. So, and as we see, that was just basically a retest on price to try to retest this high and go back, but it couldn't. So price, of course, drowned. And then we had more signals that came out. As you see from this buy here, I missed out on those pips. So I didn't call the 23.98. And that's down here. And I missed all this. I missed all this in that sale. But, we're still grateful, still profitable. That's the biggest thing, definitely. With being in these markets, especially gold for anybody who knows gold is literally, I would say, a shark pattern type market. There's been a lot that I've been able to learn from gold. Not only just, mastering its patterns, but learning the way that it moves for certain sells or certain buys at certain points and key levels. And with catching the sell here, of course, it was 23.98 to 23.90. That move was nothing for gold to do. 30 to 50 pips for gold is nothing. And why I say that is because any experienced trader acknowledges a dollar lot at a 30 to 45 pip move is still a great gain. And it's like, the amount of money that can be made from that, you more than likely be done trading for the day. it just depends, because some people like to stay in the markets. Some people, they acknowledge when, you know, they've been in it too long and probably took some significant losses. With that, I'm go ahead and mark the next ones for my next signals that came out. August 7th, we had a buy at 2400. Small profit taken, no TP hit, but it hit the stop loss first, so that'll be our L for the week. I will go ahead and tell you that will honestly be our L for the week. However, I took small profit here, so I just, of course, let my team know. August 8th, I analyzed the market for some trades, but nothing really set up the way that I wanted it to, so we didn't take anything there. Wait for a buy at 24.28 through 24.29, and take profit one hit here. As you see, I got in at 24.29.73, and take profit hit at 24.35. This signal was posted at 7 a.m. and it took about 3 hours for that to push out. So you know, 3 hours for a good 40, I think it was $45, maybe $50 that I made on this trade. You know, a small game, no biggie, but always grateful. And I'm blessed. I can honestly say that I'm blessed for the amount of signals that has been coming out. As we see here, July 15th, just going back on my old signals, buys coming out at 24.07, and all TPs getting hit, even take profit 4. And this is what we was capitalizing for that week, 75 to probably about 150, 160. Here, another one came out, TP1, 2, and 3. TP1, 2, TP1, 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 2, 3, TP1, 2, 3. And that's just how it's been happening. And I can only be grateful. So, you know, just going back to the market and looking at where we are now and deciding what type of moves you really want to make. I've been getting a lot of FUD on it, but I honestly think that gold will fall back to the support here, because this isn't just any regular support. Let me get out my box. This is also a key level where price has visited once before in the past and acted as a support or a resistance. That's the definition of that, if you didn't know. And you know, looking back, we had a lot of, we'll say 1, 2, 3 areas where price rejected downward into the 2300s from this area. So here, what I'm expecting, we got 2 taps up top. That's that M that played out. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. So we're trading between this zone here. Price did not get back above the 2440 area. So in this case, when using my fibs, I just literally drag this from the top to the bottom. And we're in the 0.5618 area. And if price respects, then we definitely will be back to the 2384 zone for this week. And if it gets there and we have a breakout of this floor, breakout of floor. All right. And we have a breakout of the floor right here. I'm gonna just put this up here, I guess. have a breakout on this floor, I'm definitely going to be looking for more short positions. Can I get my arrow? Either my eyes is just completely missing it. So I have trend line, rate, info line. Yeah, my eyes is completely missing it. Y'all don't have blind. Y'all gotta bear with me, okay? We. No, I don't need that. You gotta bear with me. So I'm gonna just, use array for these. And no, I'm not gonna use array for this. I am going to use a trend line. So price comes back here, possibly could get a rejection back up right about here. Because if I take I'm gonna move this fib, and I'm gonna show you guys something. Use this fib from here to here. If it comes here to this 2407 area in reverse back upward, we could be possibly looking for continuation to the upside. All right. If let me break it down to this low. From that high, price comes back up to the 2410 and rejects back downward. That possibly could be our initial look. I'm just going to draw it out for you so you can see what I'm talking about. This could probably be our initial downside movement. And as you see here, we can zoom out just a little bit, and I get a horizontal line and drop it about right here. This is our next support. And that's a very strong support on the hour time frame. As we see, we didn't have one or two taps. We had this pull it out. Watch out. Give me my brush. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 of them in there. 6, 7. If you're counting all 3 of these in here, that's about 7 taps on that support. So that's a very strong support. And price has rejected off of it beautifully. Like, I can't even deny. So right now, price just moved from the 24-27 area. It's already trying to sell. However, also you really want to be careful, because I'm gonna give you another trick. As you see here, this 200 EMA that I have, blue 200 EMA. When I was catching these buys up to here, I'm gonna show you, and I'm about to go back and show you just because you thought I was bullshit. Why? You thought I was boom. Look at the date. All right, Thursday, July 24th. All right, now watch this. 23rd, 24/7. Buy TP1, 2, 3 hit. Okay, a little small sell. Sell. Little sales came out. Then boom, the buys came back in. TP1, 2, and 3 hit. TP1, 2, and 3 hit. And 24.34 all the way up. 1, 2, and 3 hit. All the way to 24.60. But check this out. Price went all the way up to, let me scroll a little bit. 24.71. Okay. And look what my signals was made for. My TP4 was set for 24.80. My other TP4 on this buy that went 1, 2, and 3 was set for 24.75. Do you acknowledge how close I was to hitting all 4? Right. So I'm not going to tell you my strategy, but as we see, price is taking off all slightly on this MACD. I ain't gonna get the stalls out on that either. That's why I got the courses. Bye. But right now, we're currently at this rejection zone when we go back to the hour time frame, and I grab my fibs and go from here to here, and that 0.5618 area, price rejects and return us back to 2381. So I would say waiting on your 4 hour on a 4 hour time frame, looking at your MACD. When that white line comes outside, get ready to sell, Papoy. Get ready to sell. Get ready to sell, Papoy. So, definitely just want to go ahead and thank God for the amount of success that I've been able to show and also teach to others, and also giving myself, upper hand on life and understanding these markets to a point to where I can actually use this as a day-to-day and month-to-month, year-to-year career and income. Of course, we'll branch out into more things because, I'm a jack of all trades. So, jack of all trades, I like that. But we're definitely going to continue running it up. Let's see if somebody's in the comments. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Thank y'all for tuning in, most definitely. And don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And please share this video. If you have any questions for me, you can reach me on Twitter, Instagram. I ain't giving y'all that. Y'all reach me on Twitter and Instagram. Or you can leave a comment, email me. Definitely be open to answering and getting with you on your questions and anything that you might want to have input on. And again, thank you for watching tonight's live. You guys have a great trading week. And don't forget that elections is coming. So you really gonna want to be watching these charts. Bye-bye. But y'all have a good one. Again, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We got a giveaway coming. We have a giveaway coming. Yes, we have a giveaway coming. So what it is, I'm going to do a course giveaway, and I'm going to do a signals giveaway. But to qualify, you must be following me on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. And you must like this video and comment on this video. And you will be entered to win. So thank you again. Love y'all. See y'all at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Goodbye.